What's going on, guys? It's probably gonna be my first video for this channel, but today what we're gonna be focusing on is these Pittsburgh professional series ratchets. I'm by no means a professional mechanic. I just work around in my garage and whatnot, so I can't give you a professional review standpoint per se, but these are really good ratchets for the price. I think the half-inch drive is, I want to say $20.99 at Harbor Freight. The 3/8 drive is probably, I want to say $18.99, maybe a little less or a little more. And the 1/4-inch drive is a few dollars less than that. But they're all claimed to be 72 tooth ratchets, so they're all pretty fine tooth, but yeah, pretty decent ratchets for the price. Now we're going to be taking a look at the head or the anvil of the ratchet. It's a machined anvil. I couldn't tell you what kind of material it is, but it is magnetic. Kind of see there, but that's how it is on all three of these. But all three of them have 3 screws on the back cover plate, and to get inside of them is pretty easy. Doesn't take too long, but yeah, if we look on the back, they have the on and the off position for the switch, or the direction switch. It is reversed from most other ratchets though. I don't have a problem with it, but if you're used to Snap-on or Matco or whatever else, then it's definitely a change. Now we're going to take apart this 3/8 drive just so I can show you the inside. I have taken this apart many times for a school project, but yeah, let's get into it. So now we're going to get into this ratchet. All it is 2 T8 screws and for the outside holes, then a T6 screw for the switch screw. Now these are pretty tight on there, so you take a little nagging to get off, but here's the switch there. But as you can see inside of the ratchet, here we have the detent springs for the paddles there that are the directional paddles that have the teeth on them to hold the gear. But you got the left one there and the right one here, obviously. Then right, oh shit. Whoa. I just lost a spring somewhere, so I'm gonna have to find that. Well, I have not found the other spring so far. We'll try and look for it later. If not, I'll just have to go buy a new one, but that's fine with me. I don't really care, because I already kind of screwed this one up, because you can see got a little bit of corrosion on there just because I was changing the wear blade on the snowblower, and it was getting all wet and the water got inside the ratchet, so got a little corroded. But I'll take these out, show you one of them. So as you can see, there's decent quality. I mean, for less than 20 bucks, you aren't gonna be expecting that much, but yeah. But if you can see here, they are magnetic, just to prove that again, which is not the best for shop setting, because you got metal shavings and dust flying all over the place, so it's going to be attracted to that. But if you look inside here, very little to no grease, so I would highly recommend greasing these once you get them. I mean, there's not very much in there, if any at all, but I'd definitely fill that up with grease, make it last a little longer. If I would have, I may not have had that issue with the rusting on the anvil, but whatever, it's fine with me. But yeah, now we're just gonna take a little bit of a closer look on here and see the teeth on the anvil part. Nice machined anvil. Then you have a quick release ball on here. There's no button, it's just a friction deal, but it works fine. It's similar to the low profile snap-on ratchets in design. I'm going to take a look at the handle here. It feels good in the hand for comfort grip handle. The materials, at least the polymer, the plastic, or whatever this is here, it's not the best, but once again, under 20 bucks. But feels good in the hand, nice rubber. Feels good and when your garage isn't heated and it's 10 degrees outside, you got a metal tool on a bare hand and it doesn't feel very good, so that's why the comfort grip is nice. And then up here you can see laser etched decaling. Not sure how long it's gonna last, but whatever, it's not a big deal to me. Oh, I got that 3/8 drive back together. Still haven't found that other spring, right? So I just put it back together. But overall, decent ratchets, especially for the price. Would I recommend them to a professional mechanic or technician? I couldn't really tell you. I don't have any experience in that, but I've heard good and bad things about these. In my experience, they're pretty good ratchets, but that's just my opinion. You can have your opinion and tell me what you think of them down in the comments. But yeah, this has been the review of the Pittsburgh Professional Series non-flex head comfort grip ratchets from Harbor Freight. So thanks again for watching. You can watch on this channel for more videos, as I am starting up this channel for a tool review channel. Thanks again. Bye.